The Ukrainian forces are still hunting Russian tanks, which are still only coffins for their soldiers. These images reportedly show Ukrainian forces annihilating a column of Russian tanks. The footage was reportedly filmed near Krasnohorivka, which is a city located in the Donetsk Oblast region in eastern Ukraine. The images show a column of Russian tanks advancing before they are suddenly hit by Ukrainian ordnance. Some of them come to a standstill, while others can be seen taking a base of action and attempting to turn around. After being repeatedly hit, many of the tanks can be seen no longer moving. The Russian Ka-52 Alligator helicopter was shot by the Air Defense Unit of the National Guard of Ukraine, which is performing combat missions in the Zaporizhia region. The Alligator that flew into Ukraine was targeted by a Pantsir-S. Another enemy helicopter, firing heat traps, tried to quickly leave the area. Ukrainian Marines together with fellow paratroopers destroyed 2 Russian Mi-8 transport and combat helicopters. On April 21, the Air Defense Unit of a separate airmobile brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine destroyed a Russian Mi-8 transport and combat helicopter with a Stinger Pantsir-S. Subsequently, another Russian helicopter, trying to evacuate a possibly surviving crew, was successfully destroyed by servicemen of one of the marine units of the Ukrainian Navy. Assault Group 128 of the Separate Mountain Assault Transcarpathian Brigade destroyed the Russian T-72 tank from the Ukrainian anti-tank missile system Stugna. After firing from the Stugna, the missile rapidly approaches the tank and hits it. Explosion, flames, smoke, tank destroyed. The enemy tank was at a distance of about 4.5 kilometers. He did not stand still, but moved, but this did not prevent the ATGM operator from hitting him. Neither the Swedish-British anti-tank complex NLAW, it is most effective at short distances, up to 600 meters, nor the American Javelin, which is effective up to 2.5 kilometers, work at such long distances. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.